David, it's Gadget. So I'm here with your Bronco. It does have power brakes installed. Doesn't work. Hey, it's Gadget at Left Coast. Got another repair come in. This is a Bronco. It's got one of these aftermarket bodies. It's brand new, sitting on an original frame. It's had an awful lot of work done. It's got some sexy parts in it, but the power steering is installed, doesn't work. Power brakes installed, doesn't work. The charger doesn't work. It does go in gear and I can drive it, but I can't charge it. So I'm gonna have to do some work to it before we get to that point. You know, this is the world of doing repairs on conversions. You just never know what you're gonna get. There's nothing original. It's got high performance differentials front and rear that are aftermarket. The springs have all been replaced. It looks like a brand new frame. I know it's a brand new body. It's got all the electrical parts, so there's nothing on this car that's original, except maybe the steering column. What I'm gonna do to this car is first go through and ascertain how things need to get fixed. I'm seeing that there's certain covers I would like to open up, but some of the fasteners are covered, so I can't get the cover off. I don't know what needs to come off. The fenders need to come off, or the body gets to lift off or something, because again, this is what I see in conversions done by other shops, is they're not always built for maintenance. This one has a lot more connectors, so I can unplug things, which is great because that's how you want things. You want things to just plug into a box or unplug from the box. But if I can't get the cover off and see what's going on inside, then I don't know what I'm connecting to. I mean, I see wires coming out of the box and they're all different colors, but if I don't have a wiring diagram that calls it out, I have no idea. I spoke to the owner. He's not in a rush, and I have a bunch of other projects. So this is something I'm just gonna go through little by little and try and figure out all its issues. And then once I get some other projects out the door, then we can jump on this. It's a beautiful build. I mean, it's really sexy. It just needs to work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you check back. Always put stuff in the comments so I know what you want to see or learn about. Like and subscribe. Thanks.